Hey guys, as you recall, I am running the Dongar Technologies and the Rover 4K dash cam in my 4Runner. However, this company called FITCAMX reached out to me to test their dash cam that they made specifically for the 4Runner. And at first I was kind of like, oh, well, I already had a dash cam. I'm not really interested in, installing a new one. But when they sent over the product link and I went over it, I was really intrigued because it is actually molded to look like a OEM piece that covers your TSS sensor. So the dash cam is actually integrated into this, and it mounts right into the TSS sensor, and it pulls power from there as well. There's a splitter that comes with this. And so when they sent this over, I was like, wow, it looks OEM. It's really discreet. Maybe I should give it a try. And so I said, go ahead, send it over. Let's do an install, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So we're going to do the install today, and I'm going to show you some video from the camera as well as go over the app. So let's do the install. Essentially what's going to happen is we are going to slide this cover off, just like that. And then we're going to replace it with the new piece, which has the integrated dash cam in here. One thing to keep a note is when you take out your original part, there's going to be these orange tabs. You're going to have to reuse these, all right? So go ahead and take these out, and then we're going to place them onto the new cover. Okay, I went ahead and put in the orange tabs into the new piece here. And then now we're going to go ahead and install the piggyback harness. So what's going to happen is we're going to unplug the TSS sensor here, install the piggyback harness here, which will deliver power to the dash cam. Now we're going to plug this into the sensor. This is going to be the cord that delivers power to the dash cam. Okay guys, so that takes care of the install. Essentially what it is, like I mentioned, is it's taking this cover and integrating a dash cam into it. It's a really easy install. The only thing I would say is that because of the piggyback harness, there's quite a bit of wires behind the cover, and you're going to have to kind of fidget with it a couple times just to make sure that the wire is being hidden and the cover snaps on correctly. Other than that, install was a breeze. Took me 15 minutes at most. Yeah, guys, I'm interested to see how the footage is, so I'll go ahead and show you footage from the Rover 2K kind of as a baseline. And then I will go ahead and show you what the FITCAMX footage looks like now. Some daytime and some nighttime. Alright guys, so now we're in the FITCAMX app. As you can see, there's no live feed. For some reason, you have to disable your cellular data for the live feed to come on. I really don't like this. I hope they fix it with a software update. My RoveCam didn't require that. You'll see right away that the interface for this dash cam is actually really minimal. All you have is a start and stop recording, photo, mute, and landscape or portrait. That's essentially it for all your controls. In terms of the settings, it's fairly minimal as well. All you have is control to change your resolution, which is from 4K to 1080p. There's no frame rates that you can select. So I don't know what the frame rate they set the video at. It looks like 30 FPS to me. I really wish you could go up to 60 or at least select that. Then there's loop recording, exposure compensation, and timestamp. That's essentially it. Something I do miss about my Rove cam that this dash cam doesn't have is the parking sensor. So even if your car is off, the Rove still had power in the dash cam and was still recording. This camera does have a collision sensor. I don't know how well that works, but other than that, the video quality is pretty good. I would say it's pretty good, and it's comparable to the Rove cam for sure. But there are a couple features that I do miss about the Rove cam that this does not have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out this product if you're interested. Links will be in the description below. Thank you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.